Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use INFINITO plugin to customize the CSS for your entire website or only for chosen pages or posts. You know from experience that if you want to customize the CSS for your website and you modify the theme CSS file, when the theme receives an update, you lose your work. By installing INFINITO CSS plugin, no matter how often you'll update the theme, the CSS definitions will be saved, will be preserved. So to edit the CSS definition for your entire website, you'll go into the plugin menu and click this. Here you can add the CSS classes for your entire website. So if you go here, you'll see that all the text is black. So no matter the page, this is the default CSS. So let's say you want to have blue text for the p tags. So you'll add the p tag. And now save. When you refresh the page, website will have this color. Let's say that for this page only you want to have red text and green title. So if you edit the page, at the bottom you have this section where you can add the CSS definitions only for this page. So I want the p tags to be red, I said. Now update. If you refresh this page, you'll see that they are red, and they are red only for this page. No matter what other page you'll visit, it will have the default values. So for this page we have red. And if you want to change, let's say, the title color, you'll target the CSS class for this title. Sorry, you'll go here. Where is the CSS only for this page? So for this class, I want green title. Update and refresh. So only for this page we've set custom CSS. No matter the page you'll visit, this CSS will not be applied. This is special for the chosen page.